Number 11 passes number 7 once again mga kaibigan. Wala pa ng 12 aces.
3 minutes and 40 seconds.
Lamang po yung 12 aces for 3! Nagad! Bola po ng Raw Prince. Yan.
3 minutes, 58 seconds.
Yes sir, back to the game. 4-point lead in favor of Tres Aces. Number 12 for 3!
Shot.
Substitution. Oh mga kaibigan, 4 yung lamang ng Tres Aces. Ang tanong ng bayan, mga kahabol pa kaya yung Raw Prince, the defending champion last year. Nakawala yung bola mga kaibigan, number 17. Ayan po mga kaibigan. Nilamon po yung bola. Time out, Raw Prince.
Time out, Red Prince.
Mahulog ang ipos peso. Back to the game.
1 minute.
17, ladies and gentlemen, pass on number black. Number 18, hindi pumasok. Still remember number 18, hindi pa rin pumasok. Recover by number 4, Putata. Number 18, Putata pa rin mga kaibigan. Bakit kaya? Nagagawa sila ng bola. Ayan po nakatapak ng tae.
One minute, 41 seconds. Sana lang siya. Time to shoot.
Rebound by number 2 mga kaibigan.
2 minutes, 15 seconds.
What a nice shot, but hindi pumasok. Hindi talaga makapasok. Bakit kaya number 18? O lumampas yung bola. Rebound by Cory to number 12. Number 12, naghanap ng butas. Nakawala yung bola. There's a foul committed by number 17.
Verse 17, first personal down, second team foul. 2 minutes, 2 seconds. Stop.
Substitution.
2 minutes, 2 seconds.
Basket.
60-62. 3 aces.
Hindi pumasa sa pangalawa.
Last few minutes.
The 12-point lead in favor of Tres Aces. Lamang po yung Tres Aces. 2-point lead.
14 to shoot.
Builit, nag-iisip. Nakaisip ang paraan, nakanganga. Yung bola nakawala. Na-recover, pero na-recover ng number 2 Raw Prince.
1 minute and 40 seconds.
May isa pa sa boy, Glory. Tripping the ball. Pass to number 2 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 26.
1 minute and 30 seconds.
Wala yung bola mga kaibigan. Down number 7. 7 pass to number 4. To number 18 to number 17. Libre.
1 minute and 10 seconds. So 64-60.
64-60. 4-point lead in the
60 seconds.
For 3. No good. Rebound by Tres Aces mga kaibigan.
50 seconds.
Number 18.
40 seconds. 40 to shoot.
For 2 points.
32 seconds. Substitution. Asparet. Creating foul pala. Creating foul. 28 seconds. Time out. 1 points. Chico. 21 seconds.
21 seconds in favor of Tres Aces.
Segundos.
Ilan?
13 pound pala. 13 pound pala. 8 seconds. Oh.
4.3.
5. 3 segundos na. 3.
Yes.
Three seconds na, 3 seconds.
Mukhang nagkakaroon na po ng kaliwanagan yung mga pangyayaring nagaganap ngayong gabi. Mga kaibigan, iyan po yung nagpapakita ng pagiging sport-minded kahit ano po yung mangyari. Sila po ay magkakaibigan pa rin mga kaibigan. Pero yung lamang ng Tres Aces ngayon,
3 seconds remaining time.
lamang po ng 4 points.
3 seconds. Pamati, 3 seconds.
3 seconds. Isang malaking himala na lang ang mangyayari ngayon kung makakabawi yung wrong points. Ayan na po yung kanyang import, number 12. Pumasok na po yung import. And at the game, ladies and gentlemen, ipakita nyo yung pagiging sports